Well, hello family. We are doing yet another giveaway. This is our Fisherman's Catch Clean Cook set that we're gonna mail to one of you amazing family members. All right, Jimmy, let's pick out the digits. Okay, thank you, beautiful, helpful assistant. Okay, drawing two numbers. As you guys all know, you had to be subscribed to qualify for this giveaway. And then we're counting up all the comments, the fish on comments from the subs to determine who our winner is going to be.
And the comments, the pinned comments, 10 extra.
Oh yeah, 10 extra entries on the pinned comments, you're so right. Okay, this is a 9 and a 5. Comment 95. I'm about to go do some counting, and comment 95, you're about to get some free shit. All right, guys, just did the count. This is a little bit of an odd situation because I think he forgot to do the comment, but the timestamp, he's been sending all the timestamps. So I checked the time frame of when everything arrived in Messenger on Facebook, and the answer is Mike Diggs. Mike Diggs was our winner. He was at the 95 point or 96 point, both because of the 10 extra points. Anyway, we're so stoked to finally send you something. Message us on Facebook with your address where you want us to send this to, and we are so stoked to get this to your direction.
My guy!
Okay,
Love
guys.
you, bro.
Love you,
Appreciate
man.
your support.
So, in order to tell you about our all-time biggest giveaway, I need you to click to this next video. I'm going to put a card right here. It's also going to be in the description. This is going to be a 3-night stay at one of our go-to resorts